by researching reputable hair transplant clinics in Istanbul, Turkey. Thoroughly review and investigate the clinic based on factors such as the doctor's qualifications, patients' reviews, and treatment techniques available. Schedule an online consultation with the clinic to discuss the procedure and address any concerns you may have. Choose the most suitable day for the operation and start packing your suitcase. Enjoy a hassle-free journey with VIP transportation services between the airport and the hotel. We chose a featured 5-star hotel for you to ensure a calm and relaxing environment. This is the day when your exciting hair transplant experience begins. Discuss your needs, determine your new hairline, and develop a personalized treatment plan. Prepare for the hair transplant procedure with hair cutting and medical checks. Under the caring hands, undergo the hair transplant surgery, which takes 7 to 8 hours. After the operation, our VIP transportation will take you to the hotel to rest until the next day. Return to the clinic for a follow-up visit where the medical team assesses your post-op care. Undergo the first hair wash and dressing change. Guided by medical professionals to promote proper healing. Experience laser hair treatment sessions, which aid in the recovery process and stimulate hair growth. We are happy to welcome you to our clinic, but your amazing hair restoration journey has just started. Back home and wait for the amazing hair transplant results. Our medical team will follow up with you during the first year and track the progress of your hair transplant results.